We think we are stressed. We are not stressed. We are flickering out. Our internal power grid is undergoing a systemic brownout. It started at the root, where we traded belonging for a buzzing digital anxiety. It climbed to the navel, where our creativity cuddled into content. But the real disaster, the heart blockade. Decades of collective us versus them have turned the chest into a bunker of calcified grip. The energy can't rise. It's trapped in the basement, fermenting into aggression. Global war is just the short circuit of a species that has lost its alignment. We are trying to run a 5D soul on a blown fuse. The lights are going out, and we are too busy fighting in the dark to notice the switch.